One of our goals at the preserves of the Bayou Land Conservancy is to protect diverse wetlands like this one here. Here at Little Cypress Creek Preserve, there are several unique plant species that can be found in these wetlands, including the bladderwort. The bladderwort is a carnivorous plant that has structures under the water that capture prey like bugs, tadpoles, and small fish. In these structures, there are air-filled bladders, which lends the plant its name, and small hair-like triggers. As, say, a small insect swims by this hair-like trigger, it brushes against it and that chamber opens up and sucks in all the water, including the insect, and then digests it from within. One of the unique features here at Little Cypress Creek Preserve is our carnivorous plants. Here we have a sundew, which is a small carnivorous plant that grows in soils with few nutrients. In order to compensate for the lack of nutrients, these plants have evolved the ability to take nutrients from insects. So on their leaves there's a very sticky substance that traps insects as they pass by. And in this sticky substance there are digestive enzymes that can penetrate the insects and glean nutrients from them. Well, in the Houston area there are many pine trees, and most of what you see are loblolly pines. Here at Little Cypress Creek Preserve we actually have some shortleaf pine. One good way to tell the difference between a shortleaf pine and a loblolly pine is by the leaves. Here I have some dead leaves of both a shortleaf and a loblolly pine. The shortleaf pine has much shorter leaves, and additionally these leaves are arranged in groups, which we call a leaf bundle, that are connected by this small sheath here at the bottom. Loblolly leaves are always arranged in groups of 3, whereas the shortleaf pine leaves can be in groups of 3 or groups of 2, as in this example right here. Additionally, there are some significant differences between the cones. Here we have a shortleaf pine cone. It's very small, and on the edge of this cone we have what are called prickles. The prickles on a shortleaf pine cone are not very sharp and can be squeezed very easily. Here on the loblolly pine, the prickles are very sharp and you cannot squeeze it without hurting your hand. Another good way to identify shortleaf pine is by the bark. Here you can see on the shortleaf pine there are very small hole-like structures on the bark. Loblolly pine does not have those.